Have you ever wondered how to operate an excavator? It's a question that might have crossed your mind if you've ever watched one of these mechanical beasts in action, effortlessly moving earth or demolishing structures. Today, we're going to demystify the process, breaking it down into simple, easy-to-follow steps. First things first, safety is paramount. Before even considering climbing into the cab of an excavator, ensure you're wearing the appropriate protective gear. Also, conduct a thorough inspection of the machine, checking for any visible damages or leaks. Now, approach the excavator from the front, facing the machine. Locate the two handles on either side of the cab door, using these to climb aboard. Once inside, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the controls. You'll notice two joysticks, foot pedals, and an array of buttons and switches. To start the excavator, turn the ignition key to the right. You'll hear the engine roar to life. It's important to let the engine warm up for a few minutes before beginning operations. Now let's get to the fun part, operating the boom and bucket. The right joystick controls the boom and bucket. Pushing it forward lowers the boom, pulling it back raises it. Move it to the right to open the bucket, and to the left to close it. The left joystick controls the arm of the excavator. Pushing it forward extends the arm, pulling it back retracts it. The foot pedals control the machine's rotation and travel. The left pedal will rotate the cab and boom to the left. The right pedal will rotate them to the right. To move the excavator forward or backward, use the two levers in front of your seat. Now that you have the basics down, it's time to put it all together. Always remember to operate with caution. Be aware of your surroundings and never exceed the machine's operating limits. To summarize, safety first, gear up, and inspect the machine. Climb aboard and familiarize yourself with the controls. Start the engine and allow it to warm up. Use the right joystick to control the boom and bucket, the left joystick to control the arm. Use the foot pedals for rotation and levers for movement. Operate with caution and within the machine's limits. Operating an excavator might seem daunting at first, but with these straightforward steps, it becomes a manageable task. It's a skill that requires practice and patience, but once mastered, it opens up a world of possibilities. So the next time you see an excavator in action, you'll know exactly what's going on in the cab. Isn't that something?